Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how to make chia seed pudding. This is called chia seed and it has lots of nutritional benefits. Today I am going to share with you two of my favorite flavors, which is chocolate and vanilla. I have taken two clean pudding jars, one for vanilla and one for chocolate. So first I am going to make the vanilla pudding, for which you are going to need half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, few spoons of sugar according to your taste, and some vanilla essence. Now we need to mix this together until it is all mixed. Now we are going to mix this and leave it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, the chia seeds will turn bigger in size. The next one we are going to make is chocolate. So for this, we are going to need the same measurements. We are going to need half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, 2 spoons of sugar, we need to do the same thing and mix it. Now again, we are going to mix this and put this in the fridge overnight. Chocolate and vanilla puddings are ready. Now we are just going to put these in the fridge and see it tomorrow. So this is how it looks after soaking overnight. Just look at the texture. It's so nice. It looks so yummy. I feel like eating it right away. Here I have my chocolate and vanilla pudding, and I also have my toppings which I am going to add on top. This is grated chocolate, this is crumbled biscuits, this is chopped bananas, and this is chopped apples. Now I have my vanilla jar and I am going to put the toppings. Chocolate pudding, and now I'm going to put the toppings for this. Ta-da! The 2 chia seed puddings are ready. Now I'm going to taste it. Let me taste the vanilla first. The vanilla was so yummy. Now let me taste the chocolate. This is so good too. You must definitely try the chia seed puddings. It was so tasty and nutritious. The best part is that you can make it in different flavors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god. See, this is called as chia seed. It's so great.